Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here. I'm here to talk about lesson 207, covalent formula to name. So the goal for this lesson is to write the chemical formula for covalent compounds given the name and write the name of covalent compounds given the formula. If you recall, covalent bonds are between a nonmetal and a metal. The electrons are shared. For covalent compounds, when we are writing it, we don't even need the charge. We just need to identify that it is two nonmetals. What we do need, though, is a list of common prefixes to show the number of atoms within the compound. So mono is 1, di 2, tri 3, tetra is 4. So remember, if you've ever played Tetris, you have to get 4 lines at a time. Then penta, hexa, hepta, octo, if you remember Octomom, nano, and deca. So the formula to name rules. The first element is kept neutral atom name. The second element ends in IDE. The prefixes are put in front of each element name to show the number of atoms. So we never use mono, though, on the first element. So CO is carbon monoxide, not monocarbon monoxide. That is not correct. Okay? And then we have carbon dioxide. So in this element, or example, C6S3, the first element keeps neutral atom name. So, and then 6 is hexa. So hexa, carbon, and then the second element ends in IDE. And then we have 3 sulfurs, so trisulfide. Okay, so the full name of this compound is hexa, carbon, trisulfide. Now we're going to talk about names to formula rules for covalent. Man, I keep forgetting to change from highlighter to pen. So for covalent, okay, the rules: write the atomic symbols for each element, use the prefix to identify the subscript to write for each element. So in this case, dinitrogen, di is the prefix, and pentaoxide is the prefix here. So here's an example, bromine pentafluoride. So the atomic symbol for each element, so bromine is Br. And since there's no prefix, it's just going to have a subscript of 1, which we don't include. And then pentafluoride, so fluoride is F, and penta means 5. So when we write the formula, it's just BrF5. We do not crisscross when we write covalent compounds. So no crisscross when writing covalent. And here is a much nicer, thanks to Ms. Fleischer, way of writing what we just went over in the previous slide.